Hello everyone and hello Scorpio. Itong reading na ito ay para sa year 2026 ninyo. We will look into the energies for the year 2026 and anong mga advice ang gustong ibigay ng universe para sa iyo. Nawala tayo nandito ng saglit but we are back. If you are new here, welcome. Ang goal ng channel na to is to give guidance, sourcing the light from the creator with good intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. Please follow or subscribe. Sobrang importante ng inyong suporta para makontinue natin ang readings dito. So, first you have the Death card and then the King of Pentacles. This is telling me that you are in a state of transformation. You are in this process na nagta-transform ka, nagpapalit ka ng mga new habits or pinapalitan mo ng new habits yung old habits. There are things na natututunan mo. You maybe are learning things right now. Probably may mga difficulty kang pinagdadaanan or may mga na simply may natututunan kang bago based on the experiences that you are having now. You are also having the King of Pentacles here. There are also plenty of opportunities for you. May mga areas of your life that are giving you possibilities when it comes to opportunities and the people around you. You are surrounded by people who may be able to help you in your pursuit to success. You also have the Nine of Wands in reverse. So this is telling me na kahit na there are plenty of things for you to do, there are a lot of opportunities for you, hindi ka din ganun ka-aggressive right now because hindi ka eager na subukan kung ano yung kaya mo. Hindi ka willing pa sa ngayon na subukan kung ano pa yung maaabot ng mga skills mo ngayon. Para kang takot, para kang hindi ka nag-risk. So you're trying to lay low, hindi mo kinakaya pang mag-invest ng time at ng panahon, ng effort, ng pera sa mga bagay na hindi mo sigurado. It's more of your time. Nakikita ko dito, it's more of your time. It's kung ano yung mga passion mo, hindi siya ganun ka okay para hindi pa siya ganun kahinog para sa para i-achieve those dreams. Whatever it is, maybe ikaw ay may dream na sumikat or baka may dream kang isang passion na gustong-gusto mo, baka gusto mong maging teacher, gusto mong mag-sideline na gusto mong matutong, let's say, gusto mong maging napakagaling na car wash person or professional or baka gusto mong maging businessman, something na sobrang passionate ka, hindi, takot ka na i-elevate pa yung pwede mong gawin. Hindi ka pa ready sa ngayon. It's all about you yourself. Hindi ko sinasabing yung opportunities mo wala. Actually, mukhang ang dami mong resources and mukhang you have all the time, you have all the resources, you have the opportunities to make it happen. But ikaw mismo, takot ka. You have the Page of Cups here in reverse. Kung ngayon ay takot ka pang gumalaw at maghanap ng opportunities or pagalawin ang baso, so to speak, or gumawa ng mas marami pang resources for yourself, hindi mo ginagamit yon kasi in the past, there is a sense of starting anew when it comes to your emotions, when it comes to how much failure can you take, how much stake is there for you to handle. Kung kaya mo ba ng napakalaking pressure o hindi, parang hindi ka pa ganun ka lakas ang loob mo. Dahil sa ngayon nakikita ko na may nakita kang konting success, may nakita kang konting possibility, pero takot kang umabante, takot ka na mag-step forward. Gustong gusto mo nakikita yung possibility, pero takot kang gumalaw yourself. It's taking that one step forward ang pinakamahirap, yung nakikita ko sa'yo, because you have the Page of Cups energy here. Medyo beginner talaga yung dating neto. So this is telling me na hindi ka pa umaakbang, hindi ka pa umaakyat sa next na pupuntahan mo. It's all about you just looking at the other side. And then you also have the Queen of Wands here. Yung intuition mo napakalakas. Kung ano yung nakikita mo, kung ano yung fino-focus mo, yung gusto mong gawin na takot kang puntahan, andun yung intuition mo eh. Yun yung sinasabi ng intuition mo na puntahan mo, gawin mo. Pero ito ka, you know what to do. You know what to do. Sobrang tama yung intuition mo eh, because of the Queen of Wands here. Hindi naman to lalabas dito kung hindi ka sigurado sa gagawin mo or sa mga ideas mo. It's really there. And look, King of Wands in 2026, sobrang patok na patok kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin na hindi mo pa ginagawa, Scorpio. Because your passion is really here. Nakikita ko na mag-grow ka. Nakita mo yung pag-akyat nung pag-upgrade nung Wands from the Queen to the King of Wands. Sobrang magmamature, sobrang magiging maganda yung nagiging iniisip mo, yung ina-ideate mo, yung idea mo, I mean. But if you look at it, pareho silang nakaupo lang. Right? So, it's up to you what you will do, but let's see what else are here sa mga cards mo. So, you have the Six of Cups. So, people around you are enjoying their time with you. They feel good with you because they feel like ang ganda-ganda ng kasama ka. You are being this person na parang, kumbaga parang napaka-familiar ng feeling. Parang pagkasama ka nila, masaya lang lagi. And on the other hand, ikaw mismo, there's something missing. There's something missing in you. Something na nagpaparamdam sa'yo na parang may kulang sa saya, may kulang sa happiness, may kulang sa warmth, hindi pa masyadong success ang feeling mo, hindi pa masyadong wealthy ang pakiramdam mo, feeling mo hindi ka pa ganun kayaman siguro or may iyayaman ka pa. There is this feeling na may iya-upgrade pa. But kung babalikan natin yung first two cards mo, you are in a transformative process. And you have the King of Pentacles. I need to remind you that because you have all the resources. Nakikita ko dito na yung gusto mong mangyari at yung meron mo ngayon ay nabablock lang siya ng inaction mo because of everything are just ideas. Or hindi mo pa tinitake yung next level. Hindi ka pa gumagalaw. Hindi mo pa ginagawa yung mas mahirap na proseso. And this is something na nakikita kong kulang sa'yo. But the advice card for you is to not think of yourself as kulang. Don't think of yourself as less. Don't think of yourself as incapable. You need to make yourself feel secured. Because kung paulit-ulit mong sasabihin sa sarili mo na, hindi pa ako ready, may mas magaling sa akin, then, magiging ganun lang din yung outcome ng 2026 mo. Lagi kang nakahintay, hinihintay mo yung sarili mo, kailan ka magiging ready, hinihintay mo yung sarili mo or baka naghihintay ka ng ibang tao na gumawa ng mga dreams mo para sa'yo. Well, to let you know, walang gagawa nun kundi ikaw. Because ikaw ang hinihintay ng universe. Ikaw ang hinihintay ng sarili mo mismo para paggalawin ang proseso ng improvement ng sarili mo because you are in a state of transformation right now. So kung nararamdaman mo na insecure ka, may mga takot ka na baka hindi ako pansinin ng mga tao pag ginawa ko to or baka feeling ko hindi ako ganun kagaling para ituloy ang dream ko na sumikat or mag-business or gumawa man lang ng something na alam ko sa sarili ko na gusto kong gawin pero natatakot talaga akong ituloy siya for whatever reason. So anong gagawin mo? You have to do something to make yourself feel secure. Because everything boils down to insecurity and that feeling of not being enough. Or parang feeling mo na matatalo ka din naman, hindi ka naman magsasucceed. Well, paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? You have to really try. You have to try. Because kung magi-stay ka sa ganitong state of mind, hindi magiging masaya ang 2026 mo because of the reversed na Four of Wands. But really try to change it. Try to change it. Whatever it is that you are fearing about or kung ano man itong pablock sa'yo para gawin ang dreams mo, para abutin yung mga pangarap mo, just go do it, Scorpio. Sobrang linaw nitong reading na to para sa akin. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na to, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube, and follow pag kayo ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ito sa mga kilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang to support this channel para blessings lang ang umiikot sa community natin. So, let's look at your advice card. The first advice card is take a divinely guided chance. All positive change and successful ventures involve a degree of risk, and you are ready to follow your divine guidance to new territories as you leave behind that which is comfortable and familiar but no longer appropriate for you. You make room for new and more meaningful opportunities. Ano bang sinabi natin kanina, guys? Take that divinely guided chance. Sunggaban mo na yung opportunity. Gawin mo na yung dapat mong ginawa last year. Kasi nga, lahat naman daw may risk talaga. Kung sa tingin mo, ito na yung time, ito na yung dapat mong gawin, why not take it? Why not just do it now? Because you need to make room for new and more meaningful opportunities. Kahit basahin mo ito ng paulit-ulit, nakakatuwa na pareho yung sinabi nung advice card na to. Next advice card is declutter. You will feel better and more focused if you will take the time to clear away clutter from your living and workspace. Donate what you can to help others who may need your items. Be sure to keep your schedule uncluttered as well. So, ayusin mo lang yung oras mo, yung gamit mo sa bahay, because when you make space or nagtapon ka ng mga lumang gamit, then you are bringing in energy, or you're inviting new energy to come in kasi may space ka na for new things. So that will always keep you in that state na welcome ang mga bagong bagay para sa iyo. Next is raise or promotion. Congratulations! An increase in your abundance flow awaits you. This is a result of your positive focus and willingness to take action based on your divine guidance. Keep up the good work. So, ayun na nga, kung gagawin mo nga yung dapat mong gawin, kung itutuloy mo na yung mga dapat natin mo pang ginawa, then you will be earning more. Sobrang linaw nun. Next advice card is loneliness. When you stopped fearing your aloneness, you stopped settling for less than you deserve. May I embrace and love my solitude, and that's when kindred spirits can finally come. Huwag kang matakot. This is all about releasing or removing the fear. Because you deserve so much more. There is so much more that you deserve. Tanggalin mo yung takot, tanggalin mo lahat ng iniisip mong negativity for you to move forward. Yun lang yun. Next advice card is spaciousness. What do I no longer need? Help me, God, to release whatever people, places, or things draining my vital essence. Show me what will fill me with enthusiasm and joy. So again, release whatever it is, people, places, or things. 'Di ba? Parang declutter lang, 'di ba? So just remove all of those para mas puro love lang yung meron sa sarili mo. Tanggalin mo na yung mga taong nega, tanggalin mo yung mga taong hindi nakakatulong sa iyo, yung mga bagay na nagbibigay na walang gamit para sa iyo. I-donate mo na. Ipamigay mo na 'yan or itapon mo na. Kung ano mang gusto mong gawin, basta out of your space. Next is new waxing moon. Conception, inner self-expansion. Diba sinabi natin kanina, may pagbabagong nangyayari sa'yo. So this is you. This is you changing into a new moon. This is you in that process of improving yourself and doing that inner work, that self-work, that self-improvement. And nag-expand ka, the more that you understand this yourself, the more that you understand yourself, that you are in this process and that you are being consciously aware na ginagawan mo ng paraan na mag-improve yung sarili mo, then nalalaman mo, nakikita mo sa sarili mo that you are expanding your consciousness. Yun nga yung sinasabi. Pag nakikita mo yung possibility, yung consciousness mo, yung mga possibility pwede mong gawin, sobrang lawak niya. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Next advice card is Moonstone. Mystery and intuition. Again, yung intuition mo. Ano ba yung sinasabi sa'yo ng intuition mo? Pakinggan mo yun. Kasi sumisigaw na yata yung intuition mo pero hindi mo yata pinapakinggan. Or probably alam mo, ikaw na lang itong hindi pa kumikilos. So, ikaw, do you want to just be this person na paulit-ulit lang ang ginagawa mo na iniisip mo lang sana ganito, sana ganyan yung ginawa ko at nakahiga ka na lang, nakatupo ka na lang and pinapanood ang ibang mga tao na nagsasucceed habang ikaw ay andito pa din sa kung nasaan ka ngayon. Ikaw ang mamili. Next advice card is Puffin Partnership. Accept yourself and your colorful personality. Feel confident about being you. You are a joy bringer. Let your community nourish and protect you. Ask for help. Teamwork will give you the best results. Kung hindi mo kaya or kung sa tingin mong mas madali para sa'yo na may katulong ka, why not? Ask for help. Maghanap ka ng katulong mo. Maghanap ka ng tutulong sa'yo. But it's important for you to move as well. It's important for you to be here. That's why dalawa nga tong ibon na to, di ba? You need to move. Parang sinasabi dito, mas importanteng kumikilos ka rin. Kasi nga walang ibang gagawa nito kundi ikaw eh. But then, yes, it's here. Why not? Ask for help. Be this person na willing gawin ang kahit ano para maabot yung dreams mo. Because why not? If you think about it, sayang naman yung talent na meron mo. Sayang naman yung idea mo. Sayang kung hindi mo gagamitin yung opportunity na meron ka. Next advice card is Polar Bear, Mystic. Know that challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Have time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. So lahat ng itong challenge na pinagdadaanan mo, it will just make you stronger. It's not there para matakot ka. It's there for you to achieve it. It's there for you to discover within you na kaya mo pala. Imagine kung ano yung pwedeng maging ikaw. Imagine yung pwede mo pang maging potential. Or yung potential mo ngayon, ano ba yung pwede mo pang ma-achieve? Ano yung pwede mo pang maabot? Yung mga pinapangarap mo noon, ano yung mga wala mo ngayon na pwede mong makuha? Kung gagawin mo lang, susubukan mo lang, gagawa ng paraan, walang excuses, just do it. Do the next step. Yan ang forecast ninyo. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hula Juan on Facebook para may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang inyong intensyon. See you sa next reading.